Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Ancestry.com subscription step by step so you won't be charged anymore. First of all, log into the Ancestry. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the application, or if you want to open it from browser, go to the browser and type Ancestry.com and log into your account. Make sure you are using the account that has the active subscription. After you have opened the account, access account setting. Click your profile. At the top left you will see the profile icon. Then click your profile icon. Then select account setting. From there go to the member and subscription account setting and go to the membership and subscription. Then cancel the subscription. Under your active membership, click the cancel subscription. Ancestry may ask for a reason. Select one and follow the prompt to confirm the cancellation. After the cancellation is done, you will still have access until the end of your billing cycle. Make sure you receive a confirmation email from Ancestry that the subscription is cancelled. And that's it. Your Ancestry subscription is now cancelled. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.